1. Introduction: Lawsuit implications for credit reporting agencies. Recently, Experian and Equifax have been hit with significant lawsuits related to improper investigations of credit reporting errors. This legal action highlights issues within the credit reporting system that could provide opportunities for consumers to dispute and delete erroneous information from their credit reports. For individuals looking to improve their credit, this presents an unprecedented opportunity to challenge the accuracy of their credit data. In this report, we will discuss how these lawsuits affect consumers' ability to dispute information, and how you can leverage these legal outcomes to improve your credit score. Footnote: the recent lawsuits against Experian and Equifax highlight systemic flaws in credit reporting, offering consumers an opportunity to challenge inaccurate data. 2. Equifax lawsuit: inadequate investigations and data mismanagement. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, recently ordered Equifax to pay a $15 million fine for improper investigations into credit reporting errors. This lawsuit revealed that Equifax failed to conduct adequate investigations into disputed credit information, leading to inaccurate data being reported for consumers. Of particular concern were coding errors in their internal software, which resulted in the miscalculation and inaccurate reporting of credit scores. Additionally, Equifax was found to have reinserted deleted credit information without verifying its accuracy. These issues underscore the vulnerabilities within the credit reporting system and provide a clear basis for consumers to challenge the validity of the information reported on their credit reports. Footnote: the Equifax lawsuit reveals serious flaws in the credit reporting process, including failure to investigate disputes adequately and reinserted inaccurate information. 3. The role of eOscar and Metro 2 compliance. Equifax's issues are linked to its use of the eOscar system, a platform designed to handle dispute resolutions based on Metro 2 compliance coding. eOscar's software is often criticized for not performing real investigations, instead relying on algorithms to respond to dispute letters. This has led to a lack of genuine investigation into disputes, as the system is programmed to identify keywords and respond in a standardized manner. The reliance on such software means that many consumers' disputes are not thoroughly reviewed, making it harder for individuals to successfully remove inaccurate items from their credit reports. A deeper understanding of Metro 2 compliance can aid consumers in framing their disputes more effectively, as the software itself is meant to follow strict standards for credit reporting. Footnote: the eOscar system used by Equifax and other agencies fails to conduct thorough investigations, relying instead on automated responses based on coded compliance rules. 4. The legal impact: disputing inaccurate information. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, consumers have the right to dispute inaccuracies on their credit reports. The lawsuits against Equifax and Experian underscore the importance of holding these agencies accountable for their errors. When disputing an item, you are not required to provide extensive legal documentation or cite obscure consumer laws. What matters most is proving that the information being reported is not accurate, complete, or fair. You do not need to resort to complex legal jargon or UCC codes. Instead, focus on demonstrating that the information is incorrect and should be removed. The FCRA mandates that all data on your credit report must be accurate and fair, and if it fails to meet these standards, it must be deleted. Footnote: disputing inaccurate information under the FCRA is based on showing that the data is not accurate, complete, or fair, rather than relying on complex legal principles. 5. The importance of secondary credit reporting agencies. In addition to disputing data with the major credit reporting agencies, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, it is essential to also address secondary credit reporting agencies. These agencies, including LexisNexis, ARS, and Clarity, play a significant role in how credit data is managed and communicated. If erroneous information remains in these secondary databases, it could be reinserted into your primary credit report, undermining your efforts to clean up your credit. Therefore, when disputing items on your credit report, It is crucial to pull your records from these secondary agencies and ensure that they are also cleared of inaccurate data. This comprehensive approach ensures that the information is completely eradicated from the reporting system. Footnote: addressing secondary credit reporting agencies is essential for fully eradicating erroneous data, as these agencies often feed information back into the major credit bureaus. 6. Using DisputeBeast for comprehensive credit repair. For those seeking a more efficient way to manage credit disputes, DisputeBeast offers an advanced AI-driven solution. DisputeBeast automates the creation of custom dispute letters for the major credit bureaus and secondary credit reporting agencies. By simply uploading basic documentation, such as your driver's license and a utility bill, DisputeBeast generates personalized letters that target inaccurate credit reporting across multiple platforms. This solution is especially beneficial for those who wish to avoid the manual effort of contacting every credit reporting agency individually. Footnote: DisputeBeast automates the credit repair process, making it easier to dispute errors across multiple credit reporting agencies with minimal effort. 7. The importance of challenging reinserted information. A critical issue with credit reporting is the reinsertion of previously deleted information. Credit reporting agencies often fail to reconcile newly reported information with records of previously deleted data, leading to inaccurate information reappearing on your report. To prevent this, it is important to ensure that all discrepancies are addressed not only with the big three credit bureaus but also with secondary agencies. Comprehensive credit repair includes challenging reinsertion and ensuring that all errors are permanently removed, rather than simply stalled or temporarily fixed. Footnote: challenging reinsertion is essential for effective credit repair, as unaddressed errors can resurface, prolonging the dispute process. 8. Conclusion: navigating the credit repair process. The recent lawsuits against Equifax and Experian provide an unprecedented opportunity for consumers to challenge and delete inaccurate information from their credit reports. By understanding the systemic issues within the credit reporting industry, such as reliance on automated dispute systems and secondary reporting agencies, consumers can take proactive steps to clean up their credit. Whether using automated tools like DisputeBeast or manually disputing errors, it is essential to be thorough and persistent in addressing inaccuracies across all platforms. This approach not only enhances your credit score but also holds credit reporting agencies accountable for their mistakes. Footnote: the lawsuits against Equifax and Experian provide a unique opportunity for consumers to address inaccuracies in their credit reports and improve their credit scores.